Watch it, I just put...
Dude, that headshot was freaking outstanding.
Oh man, yeah.
Like, Kyle busted down the door, I peeked over his shoulder and domed somebody.
Shit.
Fuck. How did they get in?
They're gonna try to get us to shoot it.
I got it. Ah, shit. Got it.
Assholes.
That hostage is like ducking his head like, oh my god.
We have some walls here that...
Reinforcing top.
Get your armor.
I'm coming. I had a shock.
I'm reinforcing the top breach holes. Hold on. I'll be down in a second. Fuck.
One person missing
Coming.
armor.
Coming down. I'm getting it.
I'm gonna wall this off, Noble.
Whoa.
Jesus.
Shield down.
Josiah, I'm directly across from you.
Okay.
They got a Glaz, watch it.
Dang.
That's
Oh,
above.
here it
kitchen.
comes.
Fuck. Grenade.
There can be another, so watch it. They usually have two. It's a distraction, most likely. Nice job.
That's what 50 bullets is all about.
Let's see the spray.
Damn.